Is your Skoda Octavia's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the door latches, siren battery, or comfort module glitches. First, check your car battery voltage. It should be above 12 volts. Then, inspect the door latches for any signs of damage or play. A faulty latch microswitch often triggers false alarms. If the siren sounds weak or erratic, the backup battery inside the siren, usually a 9 volts or lithium ion, is likely depleted and needs replacement. You can find plug-and-play siren modules and latch kits at dealers, ranging from 50 to €200. Consider these as the first steps to resolving the issue. If mechanical parts appear fine, start with a comfort reset to clear software errors. This resets the central locking and alarm system. Alternatively, use an OBD2 scanner like VCDS to clear fault codes such as B28 for latch failure. For persistent issues, perform a firmware update for the vehicle control unit via OBD2 scanner. Skoda released patches in 2024 to address false alarm triggers linked to door sensors. Note that Skoda extended warranties for alarm components in select markets until 2026, covering siren battery and door latch repairs if diagnosed within 100,000 kilometers. If DIY isn't your preference, a mechanic can diagnose electrical faults. Alarms rely on CAN bus communication, which connects various vehicle systems.